Hello, I am Vikas Marsoni. My roll number is 20I10043. This is my DIY assignment 5. In this, I have blower and I am going to show the working principle of this blower. First, I will open this, disassemble this blower and show you the parts including it. Now I am going to show the working parts. So this is the thermostats which is used to auto cut off the power supply when there is overheating occurs by the heating coils. You can see this is the heating coil, consists of 8 heating coils for this side and for this side. uh, this is the LED light which shows the uh, power supply whether it is on or off. There is a motor whose whose work is to rotate this fan, and this rotating fan flow of air which passes through this heating coil and then come from this chamber and we fill hot air. There is a power adjusting switch. You can see this is only uh, with this only fan is on. There are three other point 1 2 3. At this the lowest uh, heat will flow, and this is the medium and this is the highest. We can also increase the speed of the fan with this button. In the front it contains a chamber which prevents from getting shock from this uh, heating coil which consists of current, and left and right side contains this open area from where the air got intake and goes through this heating coil and come from this side. The body consists of plastic and metal both. Metal body at the top and back side, and the left and right part is made up of plastics, and in the back side it is also made up of metal. Now I am going to assemble the whole parts. after reassembling, let's check whether this blower is working or not. So let's power on. With this button only fan is moving and cold air comes from this side, and when I switch to the low level heat, there is heat coming, and we can increase this levels, and the heating will increases. So this is my DIY assignment 5. Thank you.